We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. I'll ask for return this video, smash that like button, tell me know you watch this video, helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with DWAC, Digital World Acquisition Corp. It has held up some strength here after that run and pullback. It is trying to break away from these recent lows, but I need you guys to be aware that there's some key levels that need to be met before there's a confirmation of real strength in this slight push to the upside. But before we break it all down here with Ultimate 42 Vision, 42 Vision, and 2.0, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we're going to jump right into it here with DWAC, Digital World Acquisition Corp. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the stocks I mentioned this morning. Every single one of them gave us 3 to 5%, 5 to 10% moves, but one of them turned out to be beyond expectations and spectacular, turning out to be a home run, and that was SYTA. I mentioned it in the pre-market as it was pulling downwards, kind of consolidating and reversing. We got that bull indicator on Ultimate 42 Vision, the upgrade that is coming soon for 42 Vision. But 42 Vision and 42 Vision 2.0 were showing pure strength all throughout that run into the bell. All right, so we got that extra confirmation with that bull indication. The strength was here on 42 Vision 2.0, 42 Vision, and in that first run it went up nearly 50% plus, consolidated, gave multiple opportunities, and hit a highest point of 70% plus, guys. So if you want to get on early with us every single morning, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with DWAC, Digital World Acquisition Corp, and it's been pushing up higher today, but it's slightly consolidating and almost looking like it wants to pull back after a rejection that just happened yesterday in the pre-market and is happening twice today. We're going to break down that level in just a moment, but I want you guys to see something here with 42 Vision, 42 Vision 2.0, and Ultimate 42 Vision within the charts. And by the way, you can gain access to 42 Vision as well. The 42 Vision indicator link is down below. And by joining 42 Vision tier level, you gain access to the daily watch list, weekly watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, and the premium indicators to receive the clarity you deserve to maximize on opportunities through the volatility in the market. So DWAC started with a bear indicator way back here on the 2nd, pulled down towards this level of $41, touched it yesterday as well and bounced back from it. So that is a support that is a key level to watch. We got the bull indicator, very short-lived, and then we got another bull indicator in the after hours. So when you look at it here on the 30-minute, very volatile, right? Very volatile. And what's going on here? There's some strength. 42 Vision 2.0 is trying to push upwards, but even though we're under a bull indicator right now, I need you guys to see what we're under on the 4-hour. And this is super important because we are under a bear indicator through this volatility. There's a bear indicator right there, okay? It's kind of hidden behind the things, but let me go ahead and move here 42 Vision. You could see it. And if you look at 42 Vision 2.0, it is slightly in an area of consolidation, trying to figure out if it's going to go red, if it's going to go green. And there's a lot of volatility going on here within the 42 Vision and also the candles, right? When you look at it, you could just see all the volatility in the charts. So when we go ahead and zoom out on the 4-hour, you could see there's a bear indicator. If this does not send out a bull indicator anywhere on this uptrend, or if it continues, eventually a bull indicator should pop up. If it doesn't, no matter how high it jumps up, down, and there's no bull indicator anywhere to be found between $43 and all the way up here to $55, and this bear indicator stays to hold true, and no bull indicator has met a specific level to indicate or pop up in the charts, that means that eventually this is going to pull down further because of the specific levels that were met at the moment of this bear indicator popping up, and no bull indicator, just like down here, popping up anywhere on this slight upward movement. Okay, so when we look at things microscopically, it looks like things are pushing up. On the 4 hour, we have not seen a full transition, and on the 1 day, we have been under a bear indicator since way up here in the 90s, and everything has been into downward pressure. Now, there is one thing that can change here. The 4 hour getting a bull indicator, like I stated, we haven't seen it, and also the 1 day breaking out of this red here with 42 Vision 2.0. If you look at it here, you could see that shift. If this levels off and goes back up, there might be some strength like we saw here, and things can push up much higher. So super important to realize where things are at right now. Things are trying to push away from $39, $36, those lows that were hit, and breaking up towards 50s, 55. But if $55 cannot be broken through, this is going to struggle to break out to newer highs and new resistance levels. Okay, there was a rejection 2 times here at about $50 and $49. Okay, right here and right here today, both of these actually. The highest it went was $50.31, and things are slightly just hanging out sideways. Now, are we forming a staircase effect from these lows down here up to here, and possibly continue? Yeah, that's what it's looking like. If it can continue, 42 Vision 2.0 will continue to push this higher. But what's really pushing DWAC to hold up and stay up after pulling back so much, fighting back up, pulling down, and fighting back up? What is it that keeps on pushing DWAC, Digital World Acquisition, higher? We're going to break it down. There's 2 articles that have came out in the last several days. These 2 articles are important because a lot of people are jumping on it. It says here, is CFVI stock the next DWAC? The new Trump trade rallies ahead of Rumble SPAC merger. Now, they're stating that Rumble might be the place or location, right, that Trump Media Group is going to broadcast on, okay? And they're stating that a lot of people are tying the 2 together, okay? This is what it says, why it matters. Turns out the 2 companies are directly connected. CEO recently told Bloomberg that he could confirm that Trump Media Group and DWAC SPAC were utilizing Rumble for its distribution services, and reports the video sharing service has been being paid by Trump's group on a non-inclusive basis. So this is almost like saying the news before the news, or it's just all in timing. Now, that has also kind of hurt Phunware, and I gotta tell you guys why, because Phunware was thought to be the software developer of the app and so forth, and probably distribution services for DWAC in the future, but right now it's being done on Rumble, and they're being paid by Trump's group. I guess they were trying to be transparent with their shareholders and also anyone that interviewed them. So Rumble is actually tied closely to DWAC because of Trump Media Group for now, okay? Super important to realize this and pay close attention to it. And they're stating here that according to reports, the platform saw viewer engagement increase by 44x from Q2 of 2020 to Q3 of 2021. While investors wait for the news on Truth Social, they can watch Rumble's numbers increase, particularly as the news recent SPAC merger has given the company considerable media coverage. So it's been growing just because of the Truth Social following and the DWAC followers, and where Trump is broadcasting his information. So these 2 stocks now are definitely stocks to keep on your radar. This is the latest news, and that brought attention to that stock and also DWAC as we see it in the charts, jumping up, slowing down, jumping up. Why would it jump up so fast like it did here, and like it's doing right now, and slowly falling back down? Well, it has to do with the mathematical reasons that I stated based off the valuation of the market cap of Trump Media Group, the DWAC merger, and everything that they are going to get as additional shares after the whole entire SPAC merger deal goes through. But I want you guys to understand there is a reason why there could be a floor now, and that has to do with the PIPE investors that came out of nowhere, giving an extra $1 billion valuation to DWAC after funding it through that PIPE public offering, okay? So, or private public offering. But this is huge because now we may see $38, $37, $35, $36 to be the floor. And if it breaks through it, it will be very, very small amount of time before it reverses back because it's going to be looked as undervalued, okay? Right now, based off the articles we've read and I've broken down, it's at fair value, but all this information right now with the extra is adding value to DWAC and making it look like a bargain and not overvalued, or fair value if not undervalued with everything that's coming. Now, we also got this news here, okay, and this is big as well. This right here is Republican Devin Nunes tapped as CEO of Trump's new media group company. So this is super important because it's going to push a big narrative behind what the reasoning is for these moves and also this platform, okay? It is actually making statements of DWAC being a movement more than just a stock on the stock market exchange, and also allowing many investors to be able to invest in something they believe in. So this stock, okay, by these type of headlines, okay, I told you guys this creates further adoption. We also had another senator buy a huge position and everyone was talking about her earlier on last month and the last 2 months, but it's super important to realize further adoption, further expansion, more people finding out about this. People that have never even traded or bought a stock are coming into the market and buying DWAC because it is what they believe in, and they also see value in this company's growth. I mean, this is very interesting, these type of movements, these type of headlines, these type of things. But like I stated, we are seeing some strength here on the 30-minute, but on the 4-hour, if we do not get that bull indicator, this could be a bull trap and it could pull right back down, and we're going to have to see how it reacts between $41 and $36 and see if the bulls try to reappear in this area, bring it back up, or if the bears continue to tear this one down. As always, guys, if you want to receive clarity in the charts like no other, check out the 42 Vision indicator down below in the description, and by joining 42 Vision tier level, you will gain access to the daily watch list, weekly watch list of home runs that we look for and strive for, as well as a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, and using the premium indicators you'll gain access to be able to navigate through the market's volatility to maximize on opportunities. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.